nerve-wracking flying out in the real world, if you will, with the drone. It's one of those things where it's like, I don't know, you feel uncomfortable flying on the side of a road somewhere, but that's really all the options you have. And then you're flying in areas that if you crash, if you go down, you know, you're not going to be able to retrieve the drone very easily, if at all. So a bit nerve-wracking, but trying to get over those learning curves and get used to what I'm ultimately wanting to do with this drone. And I think I'm getting there. So enjoy.